Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at An Céad Réimú, one syllable verbs. Today we're looking at conjugating one syllable verbs An Céad Réimú in the past tense. So just a recap of the rules. If the bríthar begins with a vowel, A-E-I-O-U, you just put a D apostrophe. So íoc, to pay, becomes díoc, paid. If a verb begins with a B, C, D, G, M, P, S, T, you add in a shevu after the first letter. So mook, to turn off, becomes vuk, turned off. Some consonants like H, L, N, or S, C, S, M don't take anything, so they just remain the same. So ri, run, ri, ran, same thing. And if your verb starts with an F, you put in a D apostrophe and a H. For example, fon, to stay, becomes don, stayed. Again, just a recap of our four pronouns. Me, I, to, you. She, hear it, she, she. Shin, us. Shiv, ye, you plural. Shead, they. Our bríthar leathan, the last vowel is A-O-U, they're broad. And bríthar cuil, the last vowel is I-E. So we're going to conjugate the verb tep, to fail, into the past tense. Hep me, I failed. Hep tu, you failed. Hep she, he failed. Hep she failed. Hep amar, we failed. Hep shiv, ye failed. Hep shead, they failed. Now we're going to conjugate the verb ol, to drink. Dole me, I drank. Dole tu, you drank. Dole she, he drank. Dole she drank. Dole amar, we drank. Dole shiv, ye drank. Dole shead, they drank. So now we're going to conjugate ri into the past tense. Ri me, I ran. Ri tu, you ran. Ri she, he ran. Ri she ran. Ri amar, we ran. Ri shiv, ye ran. Ri shead, they ran. We're now going to conjugate fog, to leave behind, in the past tense. Dog me, I left. Dog tu, you left. Dog she, he left. Dog she left. Dog amar, we left. Dog shiv, ye left. Dog shead, they left. You might have noticed in that list there was no shin. So, if a verb is slender, instead of shin we add E-A-M-A-R. Kahamar, brishamar. And if the verb is lahan, broad, instead of shin we add A-M-A-R. Dolamar, glanamar.
Agus sin é.